Tired of mystery chemicals in your food? Well, hey, hit that like button if you're ready to ditch the synthetic sprays and grow fresh, clean, and chemical-free. Stick around and I'll show you the simple truth about organic gardening that anyone can start today, even in a small backyard. So, organic gardening is growing plants without synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, or GMOs. It's not just no chemicals, it's a whole system that supports soil health, biodiversity, and natural balance. Certified organic produce must meet strict USDA standards. But honestly, you don't need certification to grow this way at home. Quick fact: over 90% of household gardens rely on synthetic fertilizers. Organic gardening flips that to natural closed-loop systems. Start with compost. Homemade or store-bought organic compost adds living microbes and nutrients. Use mulch like straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings to keep moisture in and weeds out. Avoid synthetic fertilizers. Instead, use worm castings, aged manure like chicken or cow well composted, and organic bone meal or blood meal for phosphorus and nitrogen. Pro tip: great soil isn't dirt, it's alive. Feed it and it'll feed your plants. So when it comes to natural pest control, you can use neem oil and insecticidal soaps that are organic approved. Also, attracting beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings can really help keep those pests in check. Now, for companion planting, basil is awesome because it repels aphids, and marigolds are great for deterring nematodes and beetles. For weed management, just pull weeds by hand and mulch heavily. If you need to, vinegar is a non-selective option that can spot kill weeds between your garden paths. Just remember, organic doesn't mean pest-free, it means you manage pests without poisoning the ecosystem. Are you ready to grow real food that's safe for your family and the planet? Hit subscribe and join the movement. Let's grow clean, green, and totally organic together. And hey, drop a comment with your #1 chemical-free gardening tip.